In this video, we'll learn about ZFS and how to configure it using Proxmox Virtual Environment. Zettabyte File System, or ZFS, is a file system that has become a favorite among system administrators, particularly for those working with Debian Linux and Proxmox environments. Whether you're managing virtual machines or containers, ZFS has a lot to offer. ZFS isn't just another file system, it's a powerful tool that integrates block-level storage with advanced features. When you store your virtual machine disk images or container data, ZFS treats it as raw blocks, allowing for high efficiency and flexibility. One of ZFS's key strengths is its volume manager, which gives it the ability to handle complex storage setups. It also comes with built-in features like snapshots, compression, and data integrity, ensuring your data is both secure and optimized for performance. ZFS is typically used as local storage, especially on HDDs or SSDs, offering unmatched reliability and scalability. But it doesn't stop there. You can also configure ZFS for shared storage, such as using ZFS over iSCSI, though its primary design is for local storage. And here's the jaw-dropping part. ZFS supports a maximum storage capacity of 16 exabytes, or roughly 1,153,000 terabytes. That's a massive amount of space for even the most data-heavy environments. With its feature-rich set of tools and scalability, ZFS is not only a go-to choice for administrators but a cornerstone in modern storage architecture. Let's see how to configure ZFS using Proxmox GUI. In the Proxmox graphical interface, navigate to Data Center and then Server 1. In the Content panel, click on Disks to open its items, then click ZFS. In the ZFS panel, click Create ZFS to begin creating a ZFS disk. In the Create ZFS window, in the Name field, I'll enter ZFS volume. While ZFS does not technically need multiple disks, it is highly recommended for reliability and redundancy, therefore we are going to select all from the list of available disks. For the RAID level, we are going to click the drop-down to see the available options. ZFS has many RAID levels that offer a wide range of reliability, speed, and redundancy. You need to research which would be best for your particular needs and risk level. In this example, we are going to select RAIDZ. This will create a ZFS pool that can survive OneDrive failure. Click Create to create the new disk. This task will take a few seconds. We can see the ZFS volume has been created and how it is now listed in the resource tree. You are now ready to create your own ZFS storage. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.